There's something incredibly satisfying about the feeling of healthy, strong nails. But let's be honest, finding the right product to help achieve that can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. If you're someone who's been struggling with dull, dry, or brittle nails, you might want to stick around for this review of Nailtopia's Healing and Brightening Nail Treatment. This nail treatment has a solid reputation, and today I'm giving you a breakdown of what you can expect from this product, how it works, and whether it's worth adding to your nail care routine. Let's get into it. Nailtopia Healing and Brightening Nail Treatment is specifically designed to address the common nail concerns many of us face: dry cuticles, yellowing, and the constant struggle to maintain healthy growth. This treatment comes in a compact 0.41 ounce bottle, and the formula is packed with ingredients that promise to deliver hydration, strength, and a little extra glow to your nails. The key ingredient here is sea berry. Yes, that's right. It's a superfood derived from nature. Packed with vitamins, this ingredient is said to help repair and rebuild nail protein, which is crucial for healthy, glowing nails. The formulation also promises to hydrate, which is essential when it comes to maintaining nail strength and preventing breakage. When it comes to application, I found that it was incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. You apply just one coat to clean, dry nails, and instantly, you'll notice a subtle, translucent glow. It gives your nails that hydrated, dewy look, which is ideal if you're looking for an instant brightening effect. But it doesn't stop there. Over time, you'll start to notice your nails feeling more resilient. It's almost as if the treatment breathes life into your nails, especially if you're dealing with damage or dullness from previous manicures. As far as usability goes, this product didn't disappoint. The consistency was just right, not too thick, not too runny, and it dries fairly quickly. It didn't leave behind any sticky residue, which is important because we all know that feeling of having to wait forever for a nail product to set. Plus, the treatment is odor-free, which makes it a pleasant addition to your beauty routine. Now, let's dive into some key pros and cons. First, the pros. The formula is vegan, non-toxic, and Leaping Bunny approved. If you're someone who's conscious about the ingredients in your beauty products, that's definitely a win. The sea berry really does work wonders when it comes to hydrating the nails. I noticed a visible difference after just a few days of use. It's easy to apply, and the instant glow it gives to your nails is perfect if you want a quick pick-me-up for dull or yellowing nails. The formula is also cruelty-free and biosourced, so you're treating your nails and the environment right. However, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to consider. The bottle is relatively small, 0.41 ounce, which means you'll go through it quicker if you use it every day. This may be an issue for some, especially if you're looking for long-term use. While it's great for brightening nails instantly, if you're expecting drastic nail growth in a week or two, it might be a bit of a stretch. Nail growth, unfortunately, takes time, but the strengthening benefits do seem to show results after a longer period. In terms of value for money, it really depends on how much you value clean ingredients and the eco-friendly nature of this product. It's definitely more on the premium side, but when you consider that it's not only helping your nails, but also keeping your manicure eco-conscious, it can justify the price for many. Now let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still offers similar benefits, you might want to check out other nail growth oils or treatments that contain nourishing oils like jojoba or vitamin E. Some drugstore brands like Sally Hansen or OPI also have similar products in this price range that focus on nail repair and hydration. To wrap things up, Nailtopia's Healing and Brightening Nail Treatment really delivers on its promises. It hydrates, strengthens, and gives your nails a beautiful glow, plus it's clean and sustainable. For those of you looking to bring your nails back to life, this could be your new go-to. But if you're on a budget, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs just as well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.